We're vlogging. Say hi. Now you know I hate a walk in and then boom, right there goes the kitchen.
This one needs to refresh.
Okay. Supposed to be the master bedroom closet. Well, what am I supposed to do with it? All right, I like it. Low-key be like, damn, I wish I had a man right now. Oh my God, what is that? Mama ain't raised no pump to pump my own gas, you feel me? Do I want to? That's the question. I'm literally about to go head down south again and look at some places with my realtor. I'm really excited because this girl ready to move from Palm Beach. All right, so heading to look at a place called, it's in Los Olas, Fort Lauderdale. It's supposed to be the high rise. I don't know, we shall see. So I think this is the building, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so stinking cute. Now the question is, where do sister girl park? Yeah, I know your girl can backhand park with one hand. Stop playing with her. All right. We're vlogging. Say hi. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. When are you looking to guys for?
When to move in? May, the beginning of May. So like anything
May,
first week of May. Yeah. We got lost just a little bit.
Yeah. Where are you guys coming from?
Palm Beach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's for $39.68.
Okay. That's a corner unit?
Yeah. That's a corner unit. A beautiful view.
Mm-hmm.
You conference there, like if you need it and you can reserve it.
Mm-hmm.
Complimentary. So like we have a wait time so you can use it.
Okay.
We have all this area, coffee, complimentary too.
Love it.
Area for the mailboxes. The main entrance in the lobby.
So that's the main entrance. Got it. That's where we started off at.
Yeah, you put it on the GPS, it will take you.
Yeah, it took you right there.
Oh, good.
All right, now I gotta charge the phone every night. Got it.
It is nice. You also have.
Oh, we are a battery pack. Yeah.
You also have unique codes.
Okay.
In case you don't.
That's good. Okay.
Dies or something that you. So it's a camera that you can see who's looking for you.
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah.
This one needs to refresh.
Okay. Very bright in here. Very bright. Oh, I like the kitchen. It's real cute. That's cute. Now you know I hate a walk in and then boom, right there goes the kitchen. Drives me fucking crazy. Drives me crazy. Now, do you guys have any like layouts where it's like you walk in and boom, there's not the kitchen, like a walkway?
The one I'm gonna show you.
Okay. I'm that type of person. It's something about seeing a kitchen right when you walk in that just drives me bananas. I like these windows in here. They're so cute. All right, so this is the guest.
Yeah. Yes, that's the guest.
Just the guest. I could tell by the closet because whose stuff don't fit in there?
Something right here.
Okay. Oh, it's stacked. Okay. Do you guys have any laundry, like an actual laundry room? No.
That's something that we don't have.
What?
It's gonna be hard to find it here in Florida.
I have it right now. Luckily.
We live in
Palm Beach, I know. I mean, I pay for it. It ain't cheap. It's not cheap.
I wish I can tell you yes, but I don't think, we'll make it now.
It makes a difference. The laundry room makes a difference.
Extra storage.
I come with a lot of stuff. This is nice. I like it. I just hate the boom, the kitchen.
That's why you're on the 8th floor.
Mm-hmm.
And then I can show you upstairs.
So all the amenities are on the 8th floor?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, this is cute. It's a nice pool area. Yeah. Little swimmy swim. The fitness thing I went to yesterday was exhausting. Okay. Oh, this is cute. They got all the little high-tech stuff in here. Love that. Has a yoga room. Okay. I do like to work out. Yes, yes. It calms my nerves. Oh, this is so cute. So are you able to like rent this out for like birthdays or anything?
We are not really reserving for that.
Okay.
This is enjoyment for everyone.
Okay.
A lot of people
Wow. This would be nice. Y'all let people rent it out. Residents rent it out for like birthdays and stuff. Right here. Okay, this is the now you talking my language. Now you talking my language. Okay. Oh, I love the yes. The view is everything. Oh my goodness. Whew.
Oh, it's a 9. Oh my goodness.
Thank God I'm not afraid of heights. Oh, this is so pretty.
You have the exit
From the master bedroom?
That's the master. Oh, the racks.
Closet is extremely small. Like it is tiny. Like what? Look at this closet. It's supposed to be the master bedroom closet. Well, what am I supposed to do with that?
To stand up.
Right. Literally.
So you can open it.
Oh, that's cute. It's cute. I like that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make this a closet because closet content,
There you go.
tech room. Yeah, I do like it. Do you like it? No. This is nice.
You've seen her.
The little stacked rail. Yeah.
You would be used to.
Jesus.
Do we have to?
I think the question of the day is moving single versus moving married. So is it different? I think it's different. You know, at one point I was when we were looking for a place, of course I'm looking for a place that's going to accommodate 2 people, you know, and a dog. And now I'm looking for a place just to accommodate me and a dog. You know, it's like a culture shock. Like at one point for 5 years, I went from sleeping next to someone, waking up to someone, pretty much revolving my whole life around this person to not, you know? And I don't know how to be vulnerable about this. Like my friends always be like, you know, you're actually going through something. And for me, how I was raised, I mean, you go through something, you get over it, you keep it pushing, life goes on. But you know, my friends, you know, are reminding me like, you need to process this and process it well. And I don't think I have yet. I don't know. I'm excited about this new chapter in my life, but I'm also very, very nervous all at the same time. I don't know how to go about it. I'm meeting with my realtor. We're going to look at another location. This is cute. This is more of a mid-rise.
Yes, and more affordable.
More affordable, we do. We like more affordable.
I like this. Okay, call with camera. I look cute.
Right, you do, friend.
You look cute too.
Hello.
Oh, hi. Sorry. I'm the realtor. I just called. We have a tour. Thank you. Did you already answer so quick? Yeah.
Very very earthy. I'm Yuna. Nice to meet you.
Right, you got your dog.
Okay, she with my grandmother now, child. Like,
Oh, really? Not you sent it back.
not to the bag. It's just my lifestyle's been.
Yeah, it's a lot to take care of.
Yeah. So I was like, I need a cat. A cat for sure. Very. I think cats are like how you raise them. Thank you.
And then IDs.
Yes. Oh, look.
Is that available to see?
Yeah, we're gonna see it.
Oh, please.
We used to walk the drive.
And it has a kind of like washer dryer room. I hate stacked washer and dryers. The place we just seen it.
This one's a one bedroom though.
The 2-2 is gonna be cheaper than the one with the bed.
Wow.
What?
Why?
The windows. Gotta be the windows.
I think it's just because it's like a corner unit. It's like I don't know why.
She was like, I don't even know why. The closet's huge. The one den closet. I would really thought the one gonna be cheaper.
Me too.
I wish it was, because I'd be like, let's get it. All right, we're ready.
My ID, right?
Really?
Nice. Yeah. It was a women's conference. The editing part.
Yes. Oh, this is cute.
You have like a little bit of.
Oh, this is cute. Oh, this feels like home.
Actually, this is like a coat closet.
Oh.
Not the coat closet.
Yeah, like you could put your shoes in there.
Oh, period. With the storage.
Extra storage.
Okay, you got. You might be. Oh wow.
This is wash and dry.
Yes.
Okay.
I like the double.
Whirlpool.
Storage up there as well.
I do like that it's not stacked, so that is nice. Okay. It's cute. I like that. In here. It's very homey. The backsplash is so pretty. It is a lot of space. Oh my god. Oh, so this is the den back here. Not in a bad way.
No, it's good. I feel like the other one we saw was like.
I like the balcony. Oh, it's a wrappy wrap.
Yes, wrap around.
Wow.
And then, at nighttime, the lights and stuff.
I like this.
And then Publix is literally right across the street. You don't even
Look
have
at
to
me.
look for
Feeling
milk.
holy. There's a church right there.
Oh, I need me a little church. Absolutely.
The parking garage is nice.
So where's parking? How's parking here?
So, you get one reserved spot in our garage. if you
Amen.
haven't-
Oh wow, I love this. Now, would you have this on the top floor?
I have this on the 7th floor right above us.
Okay. It's not really
That's
much of a
gonna be-
difference.
I only have this one in the 7th floor.
The 7th floor?
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. All right. Okay, you got carpet. Okay. Why is there carpet? Why? Okay. Where would the
Closet?
well, not the closet, the
bed.
yeah.
I'll put it there.
Would this fit a king?
Yes.
Yeah.
And all of our bedrooms fit a king.
Oh. Okay. And then boom, bathroom, walk-in shower.
Spacious.
Very spacious. I do like that. I do.
Us girls, we need our closet.
We need our closet space.
It's a must have.
Whoever did this layout was very smart.
Yeah, they thought about it.
Because where I'm at now, they did not.
Oh yeah, I think there's a light in here.
I like that.
This is also our only unit that has a walk-in shower. The rest of our units have bathtubs.
So everybody go see now. Don't have a walk-in shower.
When is this one ready?
This one's available now.
Okay.
Yeah.
You guys hold it for, you said, for 2 weeks, right?
Yeah, but
she can see.
I can like get special permission to hold it for longer.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Now, who bright idea was that? Well, I know you don't know.
Where I live, I have carpet throughout. I have a 3-bedroom. Carpet everywhere except the kitchen and the bathroom. But it's so annoying. It's vacuum, shampoo, and I have dogs, so it's like I have to clean it often. But
I love this right here. It's so spacious. It's gonna fit my massive couch.
you get a lot of natural light too.
A lot of natural light. I love this little area. Like I can have so much fun with this space. Like a lot of fun. All right, I like it.
Okay.
Well, done with that. Only had 2 showings today because other places were completely full and booked. We're gonna look at some more places probably this week or next week for sure. I'm a little overwhelmed. Like shit. I don't know why I always get like overly like whelmed. I get overwhelmed when it comes to stuff like this because I want it to be the right place, but then you know my lease ends in probably a month and a couple weeks as well, so that kind of comes into play as well, and I just want the right place and make sure I'm making the right decision also with also making this move. So it's a little nerve-wracking, I'm not gonna front. So like I feel myself getting like tired, like drained. And the 2 places that I saw, it's like, yeah, I liked it. I did like it. But it didn't like hit for me, you know? I would say the first place like hit for me. The second place, I love the layout more, but I love the building and the amenities of the first one. So I don't know. Keep looking. I'm not gonna make a irrational decision. I'm not gonna make a decision like abruptly. I've done that so many times in life. Hence, I'm getting a divorce, so shade no tea. This sim right here costs $250.
Bombastic